First of all, I'm sorry I didn't come out to inform you guys earlier about the postponement of the Save Ghana demonstration. Even I was told on Saturday morning that the demonstration has been postponed because of the NPP National Delegate Conference. So the police said they will not be able to give us enough men because it is the youth that's going to do the demonstration. So all the policemen went to the NPP delegates, the conference. All the policemen went there because it's a national team. All the police went there. So the men left are not enough. So we should postpone the date for the demonstration. So I contacted some people on Friday evening and they told me the demonstration will be coming on. And then Saturday dawn morning, that's when they told me that it has been postponed. So a new date will be communicated to us, and when it is communicated, I will surely come out and tell you guys. So that's the reason why the demonstration has not been able to hold, because of the NPP National Delegate Conference. And also Hassan Ayariga has responded. He said a lot of things. He said Nigerians are tarnishing the image of Ghana, and that Okujeto Ablakwa, who the man met, should watch well, because Nigerians are flooding the ministry for visa, using Ghanaian names, going out to do bad things. So that's what Hassan Ayariga said. Me, I'm just quoting. So to the Nigerians telling me why we not demonstrate, if the demonstration really starts, you will see.
All right, as you heard from this very guy, the protest is still going to hold, but not today. It's been postponed, right? So you see this very guy, I don't know why I'm boiling like this, even with the background noise. I told myself that Delphina, I'm going to make this video even with the music in the background, just because of this very guy you are seeing on this picture, this video that is moving. If you hear what comes out from this guy's mouth, you'll be surprised. But then it's not a surprising thing to me, because I already know Igbo people. I already know them. This is the reason why we are coming out telling you guys that an Igbo person is different from other tribes in Nigeria. You guys are thinking we are joking. I wanted to calm down small, but this guy brought himself. He opened in Yansh himself. So I'll allow you to watch the video and I'll be right back.
Now guys, today's date is 19th of July 2025. And now you see I'm doing this video and same time directing this video to you, the people of Ghana, to you Ghanaians, based on the protest you people want to embark on today, which is 19th of July. Now you see, before I proceed to what I want to say, you see, I'm a proud Igbo son, a proud, bold Igbo son. Yes, I'm proud of my Igbo tribe. Any day, anytime, I'm proud of my Igbo tribe. And I owe no hater. Like, I owe no hater of my Igbo tribe any apology of whatsoever. If you have a beef, if you're hating on my Igbo tribe, keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. Don't even bring it to my notice. Don't even bring it to my face. Yes. Now, and you see, whatever thing that have to do with my Igbo people, I always do stand for my Igbo people. Be it in good times, be it in bad times, I always do stand for my Igbo people. Any day, any time. Yes. And the reason is because why we Igbos, we have seen enough. Yes. We know for a fact that there are people who hate with the Igbos, but we don't care about you people who hate with the Igbos. We don't care. We don't care. You can only run your mouth on social media. After running your mouth on social media, you close your mouth. As a hater, as a coward, as a born coward and a born weakling you are. Based on you who hate my Igbo tribe. Now, that's by the way. Now, you the Ghanaians are about to embark, or you want to embark on a protest against something I call very baseless, something useless, that doesn't have any meaning. That's the reason why you Ghanaians want to embark on a protest. You want to use the excuse that Igbo king in Ghana, blah, 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 blah. That's the reason why you want to embark on a protest, over there in Ghana. You don't want to protest against the white people who are in your country, molesting your Ghanaian women. You don't want to protest against that. You don't want to protest against political issues that is affecting you Ghanaians. You don't want to protest against that, but rather you want to protest against an Igbo king. An acclaimed Igbo king who based in Ghana. That's the reason why you want to go on a protest. That's the reason why you Ghanaians want to go on a protest. Like, seriously. Now, you see, first of all, let me start by saying this. You see, let me use the word please. Please, please, and please to you Ghanaians, or to you the people of Ghana who want to go on that protest. against the Igbo king in Ghana. Now, you see, if the king or the Igbo king in Ghana did something wrong that contravened the law of Ghana, I think that Igbo king should face the law. I think he should face the law. The Ghana government or the government in Ghana need to use the law against him. If only he did something bad or he did something wrong, the Ghanaian law should be there to play that role. And you see, like I said, please, you see now that you want to embark on this protest, a baseless protest. I know how protests always do end up. Protests always do end up either violence, destruction of properties, businesses, looting of businesses and all that. That is how protests have always been all across the globe whenever there is protest. Now you see, if you Ghanaians want to protest against the Igbo king in Ghana, if that's the reason you want to do that protest, you should do it in peace. It's your right to do your protest as long as the Ghanaian government or the law in Ghana, give people the privilege, they go ahead order to protest. You should do your protest in a peaceful way. For whatever reason you are doing the protest, you should do it in a peaceful way. But you see, one thing I will not accept as a proud Igbo son is for you Ghanaians, for you the people of Ghana who want to embark in that protest, for you to go after Igbo people's businesses in Ghana there. That is something I will not accept, or we the Igbos in general will not accept, or you the Ghanaians to go after Igbo people who based in Ghana there in your country. That is something we Igbos in general will not accept. We will not accept it from you people. Like I said, if you people want to go on your protest, like I call it a baseless protest anyway, you people should do that in peace. But don't go after Igbo people's businesses in Ghana. Don't go after Igbo people who based in Ghana. I don't want to use the word Nigerian, because I know there are some dumb fellows, there are some morons, idiots in human form, some lunatic in human forms, be it from the Yorubas, Benin, and other tribe, Hausa or Fulanis, who hate my Igbo tribe. So probably if I use the word Nigerians, they will say, no, it's not Nigerian thing, it's Igbo thing. So I don't want to toe that lane of Nigeria. That's why I'm using the word Igbo. I'm a full proud Igbo son. So if you people want to do your protest peacefully. For whatever purpose you want to do that protest, you should do it peacefully. But going after Igbo people's businesses in Ghana, going after Igbo people who based in Ghana, to attack them, to destroy their business, is something we Igbos will not accept. It's something we Igbos will not accept. And if people dare try to, go through that route, believe you me that we Igbos, we are very, very good in that. We are very, very good in that. And mind you, don't forget that there are also Ghanaians who based in Nigeria there, who based in southeastern region, which is Igbo land. In our Igbo land in Nigeria there. There are your Ghanaians who based over there. There are also our Igbo men who marry to Ghanaian women. Believe you me, if you want to toe that route of violence, believe you me that we Igbos will go after your Ghanaian brothers and sisters, both your Ghanaian actors and actresses who based in Enugu or Asaba. We will go after them. We will go after them. Yes, we will do so. Even in this country where I base, we know where Ghanaians live. The South Africans have been busy doing their nonsense in the name of xenophobic attack against our Igbo people. And the reason is because South Africa is a very long mile distance away. But you see Ghana is just a stone throw from Maitu to Ghana. Is just a stone throw. It's a day journey. It's a one-day journey. So I would like you Ghanaians to put yourself in check. If you're doing that, your protest, your baseless protest, you should do it amicably, like in peace. But if people want to toe the lane of violence, believe you me that you people are going to see violence. I'm telling you people, I'm telling you Ghanaians who want to go back on that, or you who want to carry out that protest, do it in peace. Don't go after Igbo people's businesses in Ghana. Don't go after Igbo people who base in Ghana. Don't do it. Don't even think about it. And as for my Igbo people who base in Ghana, Let me say this. I would have loved to say this in Igbo language, but no. I want to say in a very vast language, which is English, so that both the Ghanaians will know. If you're my Igbo person and you're based in Ghana, make sure you have something with you to protect yourself. Make sure you protect yourself against any invader or any attacker. Make sure you have something to protect yourself. Because an eye for an eye, blood for blood, that is what we believe. You can't just come out from nowhere because of your self-hatred or because there are some nincompoop and psycho fans who are from the Yoruba tribe or Benin who are busy here on TikTok using that incident now, to whip up whatever. Now that you Ghanaians now want to toe that lane now, you want to go after Igbo people's businesses and Igbo people who based in Ghana there in your country. That will not happen. If you people come with violence, you people will see violence. In a very simple term, that protest you Ghanaians want to embark on, you people should do it amicably in peace. Don't go after Igbo people's businesses or Igbo people who based in Ghana. Don't do it. Like I said earlier on, I used the word please. You people should not even think about it. Because whatever thing you people think you're good in doing, either through violence, we Igbos too, we are good in doing that. We will hunt for your Ghanaian brothers and sisters, both in foreign countries. We Igbos will hunt for your Ghanaian brothers and sisters, both in foreign country and even in Nigeria. There, both your actors and actresses, your Ghanaian actors and actresses, we will hunt for them in Nigeria. You people shouldn't start something you will not finish. Don't start it. Africa need peace. Africa need unity. But let it be through the law. If my Igbo person is living in Ghana, let him or her obey the law, follow the law of Ghana. If you also as a Ghanaian, you're living in Nigeria, obey the law, follow the law. That's what I believe in.
I don't know what this guy is feeling like. I don't know what it's feeling like. Okay, shame on you. You came out to, make a video like this and post it. What are you trying to do? Mock Ghanaians or what? Okay, Ghanaians are trying to let you know, bro, that they are peaceful people. They prefer their peace more than anything else on this earth. Okay? Look at this guy. Oh. So you are trying to tell us that you know where Ghanaians live. So what do you want to go and do? What do you want to go and do? Now you've shown to the whole world how you are. Look at this guy. So because they Ghana, you think you can be able to do this kind of shit. You don't even think about those people in Ghana, your brothers and sisters in Ghana. You don't think of them. You just came out to say shit. You get your mouth. You can talk whatever you want to talk. Shame on you. Protest no happen. Guys, it's very annoying. But then let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. I love you. Bye.